Don't want this video to be very long, so I'll just go straight to the point. This is our base that we have that I told you that I downloaded, right? And then let me just show you this. This is the background we wanted to achieve, or we want to achieve. Now originally this, when I finished manipulating the background, it was purple in color, but I just needed it to be this color. It looked a bit better having this color. Looked better rather, not a bit. So color filters, but let's just try to recreate that. So it was purple in the first place. So using hue here, just -83, then go to brightness, drop the brightness to, let's say, like 61 or something, increase the contrast to like 36. Then I also, let me lock this, centralize it. This is still PicsArtLab. I also just added a gradient that flowed from black. You should know how to do this, right? Tap here first of all. Once it's tapped, then you tap on this bucket here. Tap bucket, then make it black. Click OK. Tap the other side, that's here. Tap here, right? Then tap on the bucket again. Then take this slider to the extreme left. I'm rushing this video, I don't want it to be long. Then click, shift it a bit, then click OK, and just place it around here, just to sell that black down part, to make this down part a bit darker. Just click the check mark and then save as image, save to gallery. Then now this will now form our base. Bring this base to PicsArt, right? Let's just discard this, don't save. Just bring that base to PicsArt and then go to add photo here. Once it's your base, now go to add photo and then come to these pictures which I just sent to you people now. There are actually 3 pictures. I'll be sending the 3rd one now. So the pictures are this guy, and this guy. Just add all 3. We're adding all 3 now. Because I'm rushing this video, I may not spend my time to make everything look perfect. So now once you add it, it will look like this. If you touch any of the pictures, be careful not to touch this check mark until you're done. If you touch it, it's over. It will be set like that. So once you touch any of the images, you see a set of options will appear here: replace, opacity, remove BG, and so on. Just locate the blend here and find overlay, right? So once you find overlay, you see now we're already achieving something here. Then do the same for this other image. Do the same, do overlay too, and just put it. So find a way to put it there. Expand, find a way. You can pinch with 2 fingers. Pinch with 2 fingers on this area so that your workspace, you'll be seeing the other side well. Then this one to cover the whole image. Actually, yeah, I found that it gave a vibe that I loved. So just the same overlay. Make sure you move it down. Let it be the lowest layer. Okay, so just leave it there. Then this one now, in order to eliminate these sharp cuts that you're seeing, tap on the image, then you look up here, you see this eraser. I'm rushing, I don't want this to take long, so just reduce the opacity and maybe reduce the size too, and now erase. You can just play around with this, erase, sorry. So just erase the edges just to make it blending. Do the same for this other one. Let's see. It's not even really showing well. Let's just keep going. It's not showing that well, but let's just keep going. So I'm trying to blend this well. Alright, so you notice that this image at the back, it's too dark or stretching too much, so we can choose to reduce the opacity, which I'm not sure is really a good idea. So let's leave it. Touch the eraser and erase it from this part so that we can have these guys raising their hands. You can have it showing. I'm just erasing this part, then drag these. We're just trying to blend everything, let everything look good together. Okay, I'm not about to take a lot of time doing all of these things, but you already get the idea. The idea is to use the blend modes because I don't want this video to get long. That's just it. So basically this was what I got, and then click the check mark. Then I used the FX here, tap FX, and used blur. I just blurred it a little, I think it was just 3 or 4, and then saved the image and brought it back to PicsArt, and that's how I had this. This was not the original image. Yes, that's how I had this. Sorry. That's how I got this image here. Alright, so you can see the image here. But then let me import that one I just did now. Let me import it. You can now import it and use it as your background if you so wish. Okay. How many minutes is this video? Wow, 5 minutes. I did, that was not my plan. Please, can this thing just load already? What's going on? Why is it not loading? Alright, so I'll just import this and stretch it over. Now I didn't calm down to do this. We didn't calm down to do this. That's why it's looking like this. We didn't calm down to do it. So you can as well still have the black fade still there. And then let me open the original project so that you see what I'm talking about. This is the original project. So yes, so see the background. Then we still have this black here, and then we have this mesh, this net, and then we have this draw tool. So overall, all we did on PicsArt was to do all of this blending to achieve this, which will now take to the back, and it will form our base in all of this. Alright, so you can use that and move ahead.